Meaning of dictatorially.
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 Dictatorially. The term dictatorially refers to a manner of leadership where the leader exercises absolute power and authority, often disregarding the opinions and needs of others. This type of leadership is characterized by an autocratic style that can result in a lack of democracy and individual rights. In a dictatorship, the leader often makes decisions without consulting others or taking their views into account, which can lead to oppression, censorship, and human rights abuses. Such leadership can negatively impact the economic and social well-being of a country, as well as its overall stability and security.